Today we're out in Norton, New Brunswick, putting a simulator into this brand new home behind me here, and pretty straightforward build. Nothing challenging about this one, which is kind of nice. Let's go take a look. The room is 30 feet 5 inches in width, which is amazing. So now you've got about 18 feet from this line of grass to that back wall, and which is great for a simulator space. And if you want to have friends over, you need to have additional space for seating at the back. So 24 feet is really great. I love telling people 10 feet high, 15 feet wide, 20 feet deep for a simulator, and 25 for friends. All right, so we got your brand new simulator in here, Neil. Looks pretty good. We're running a Panasonic projector with the Unicore QED. On the software, we've got TGC 2019, and today we're starting off with a Eastern Canada specialty cabin link. So this is your first shot on the simulator. You ready? Okay. All right.